When homeowners in Sanford think about securing their homes, they often focus on alarm systems and door locks. While those are essential, one critical element is sometimes overlooked: windows. High-quality window installations can play a major role in protecting your home and giving you peace of mind. Older or poorly installed windows can be easy targets for intruders. Weak frames, flimsy locks, and thin glass can be bypassed in seconds, leaving your home vulnerable. That's why investing in modern window installations is an important step toward improving your home's overall security. One of the first things to consider is the strength of the glass. Today's window technology includes options like laminated or tempered glass, which are much harder to break than standard glass. Laminated glass, in particular, has a layer of plastic between two glass panels, making it very difficult to shatter. Even if someone tries to break through, the glass holds together, delaying or stopping the intruder. Frames are another critical aspect. New window installations often use strong materials such as reinforced vinyl, aluminum, or composite frames. These materials are designed to withstand force and cannot be easily pried open. Combined with solid locking mechanisms, they create a powerful barrier against forced entry. In Sanford's warm, sometimes stormy climate, homeowners can also benefit from impact-resistant windows. These windows are built to handle hurricane-force winds and flying debris, which means they are also extremely tough for burglars to break through. Essentially, they protect your home from both severe weather and crime, giving you double the peace of mind. Proper installation is just as important as the window itself. Even the strongest window won't help if it is installed incorrectly. Gaps, loose fittings, or poor sealing can create weak spots where an intruder could break in. That's why working with professional window installers in Sanford is key. Experienced installers make sure every window is fitted securely, aligned properly, and reinforced with durable hardware. Another security benefit of modern windows is advanced locking systems. Older windows might only have a simple latch, which can be popped open with little effort. Modern installations come with multi-point locking systems and secure handles that make it much harder for an intruder to force them open. These features, combined with strong materials, add layers of protection to your home. While security is the top concern, you can also enjoy other benefits of modern windows. Better insulation helps regulate indoor temperature, which saves on energy bills. Noise reduction can make your home more peaceful, and improved UV protection helps keep your furniture and flooring from fading. All of these extras make investing in new windows a smart choice for homeowners who want to protect their families while adding value to their property. If you live in Sanford and are thinking about upgrading your home's security, don't underestimate the role of windows. They are one of the most common entry points for burglars, but with the right materials, features, and installation, you can make your home far more secure. Look for reputable local window professionals who understand the challenges in Sanford's climate and can recommend the best options for you. A high-quality window installation is more than just a home improvement. It's an investment in your family's safety and peace of mind. In the end, a secure home isn't just about alarms and cameras. It's about making every entry point as strong as possible, and that starts with the windows. By upgrading your windows with strong glass, durable frames, and modern locks, you're taking a simple yet powerful step toward protecting the things that matter most.